What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you look at the thumbnail, it's not clickbait. I made a huge mistake. With being so close finishing the last unit, I was just so excited to get it finished. I went in there on the very last day to finish the punch list work, went out of town, the tenant moved in the next day, and I just completely forgot to record and give you the final walkthrough after it was all done. I'm so bummed about it, but there's nothing I can do. Maybe down the road I can do one, but for now, this will be the last video, and this is me finishing up the painting. So I also got some tips in there. Hopefully you'll learn something. So here we go. I got the fan going to dry it up quicker, but I got 2 coats on, we're all done. So now we'll start doing the walls. Normally, I do 1 coat rolling, I go back, trim it all in, 2nd coat rolling, and then I start rolling the walls. And by the time I do that, any paint that I've gotten down on the wall is usually dry by then, so then I can go in and get my first coat on the walls and then start trimming in. Okay, here's my setup. I know a lot of guys are saying, oh, just put the grate in the bucket. I get it, but I'm not in a hurry, so I'm just using the tray. Instead of washing the grate, I can just toss it. 9-inch roller cover. If it's a bigger room, I use the 18-inch roller cover. I got the Power Lock by Purdy. Get you one of those. If you don't have it, it'll save your back. Trim bucket. This is an Old Fields paintbrush. And then I also got the little 4-inch roller. So as you can see, most ceilings don't have this trim piece running around, but they could have crown molding. So sometimes when you're painting, you have to cut in around crown molding, around trim like this, and that's why it's so important to have a nice brush, because the bristles will get right where you want them to be, and as long as you got enough paint on the brush, those bristles will just flow that paint and get up right where that needs to go. Because I got the trim piece and I'm battling the popcorn ceiling, but having a good brush definitely makes a difference. All right, there we go. We're all set. 2 coats on the ceilings, 2 coats on the walls, all cut in. Now we're just drying, and it looks so good in here. I can't wait to get all this cleaned up so you guys can really see how good it looks in here. So the paint's still wet, so now what I'll do is I'll run around, peel all the tape, pick up all the garbage. Okay, see I got that little bit of bleed over there. No big deal. 5-in-1 tool, wet microfiber rag, and ever so slightly, we'll wipe that clean. There you go. That's all you need to do. Still have a few wet spots. Rub my arm up against that, so now I gotta touch that up, but other than that, we're all good. We gotta get those couple of doors painted now, and then we should be done painting. All right, here's the 2 doors I gotta paint. 1 bifold door, 1 bathroom door. So here's the system. Got it kind of jimmy rigged, but I used what I had. I just took a 2x4, screwed it in the bottom, another piece of cedar, screwed it in the bottom, and I'll just prime paint these by hand. show you guys real quick on the camera. I hope it picks it up, but it looks like it is. See, one coat is just never enough. I always do 2 coats on everything. Doors, trim, walls, everything gets 2 coats no matter what. Because 1 coat just won't cut it. Okay, I got this all painted. As you can see, I got a little ahead of myself, but got it all done. Looks good. Ceilings are done, walls are done. A little touch up to do, but that's it. Oh, the walls are painted. All right, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Don't forget, give me those thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, share these videos, drop a comment in the comment section below, and the next video will be the final reveal.